Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Karon na ata karon dinhi sa Plaza Divisoria, Cagayan de Oro City ug atong suruyon ang unsay naa dinhi tanan na to ang mga kalye ug ubani ko ninyo guys. So daghan dinhi.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah. There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
That's it, the end of the song. Next time you'll sing along. Trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Home service 500. So kasi din nga area Golden Princess Gumi State, Rizal State, Cagayan de Oro City. Okay, dito sa Pikas area. Kani mga blue din yan, mga blue. Guys, sa Pikas tara ito kung sa'yo na bisikleta naman, bike naman sa din. Baik-baik kita din ng area. Gawin na kapusto. Uy! Skip na sila. Dito ato tapigas. Tabuk kung sa inaan dito. Rin ang Jollibee dini o mga ginasal. Lahat din ang 24 hours na Mercury drugstore. Napod din ang Burger King. Nada din nila yung masuk green lang ang bar. Green lang ang color del t-shirt. Wah, video lang ni video. Sa serit din mo ora dito? Pareha 250, 150, 500. Ah, okay. Hoy, pangalan ninyo din eh.
Wala, may nagutang dyan.
Wala na?
Para gwapo tanaw.
Sige, salamat ha, salamat. Dapit na